It's almost like a two-way conversation. You have to adapt to them rather than just like a pitch.
100% it's a two-way conversation. It's a relationship. And I want to give you some other advice around that. It's not making small talk. Like there's this thing that they talk about in business, like building rapport. It's not, hey, is it cold enough for you outside? Or did you see the big game? It's not that. It's being able to skillfully say, you know, here's something that's going on. How are you dealing with that? Right? Or when you say you want to do, when you say you guys want to move to San Diego, why San Diego? Why is San Diego so important to you? What's your biggest reason for selling this house or whatever the situation is? It's being able to skillfully ask questions and listen. And I think a lot of times when we're not trained to do that, we're just watching the other person talk and we're waiting for their lips to stop moving so that we can say the next thing that we're going to say. And that's not what sales is about. And I don't think that's what life is about. I don't think you're going to get a date with somebody just waiting to like say something cool, right? It's all about being able to meet that person, learn about their situation, and be able to have a great, great conversation with them. And unfortunately, great conversations are few and far between thanks to technology. But a lot of wonderful stuff technology's given us, but that's not very wonderful.
Yeah,